Hello everybody, how's everyone doing today? Would like to welcome everyone to our online trading session. My name is Thomas and I represent Olymp Trade. I'm an analyst and a trader, and the following trading session I will conduct for you. If you have any questions, please let me know. I will be happy to answer all of them. And today's strategy is going to be a strategy called Horizon, which is one of our let me show you. Oh wow, we have a number of trading strategies. We have an updated screen here, and this strategy belongs to, excuse me, this is not in English. Nevertheless, doesn't stop me. It's not gonna stop me from trading and applying this trading strategy. So this strategy is called Horizon, and you can watch a brief video on how to trade with the help of this trading strategy. So if you click here, so you can either watch it on YouTube or you can watch it directly on the platform. Because now we have this wonderful widget that allows us to watch videos right on the platform without having to switch to, or without having to go to another website like YouTube. Mike, okay, I have a question in chat. So, hello, Mustafa. And a question from Ahmed. My account has been what I do now. Has been what? I think you've missed a word there in your sentence, in your comment. Well, anyways, dear traders, so today we're going to be trading with the help of Horizon trading strategy, and this strategy is well, it is a trending strategy, right? So we have okay, this is not necessary signal line here. So yeah, with okay, hold on. hold on. Let's wait while a few more people are joining. So my question is, at when point or stage I have to say that I become a professional trader? All right, so that's a good question. Well, I think a definition of a professional trader, in my opinion, is when you make more money from trading than you make from any that you can earn in your like current job or current position or current hobby or something that you do. So at some point, this is a partial definition, maybe, and then more or less, well, I don't know. It's kind of hard to tell, hard to say. Professional trader. So professional trader, yes. First of all, you have to be profitable. You have to be consistently profitable. You have to close weeks, months, and years with profits. And what's next? Well, I think yeah, you have to follow the rules of trading. You have to know. Okay, one cannot know everything in trading, right? Even if you pass a certain exam, like in every country there is a regulator on the financial markets, and they have some sort of an exam to become a professional trader. And I think in each country there is a certain definition of what like usually it sounds like it is usually called a professional trader or some like serious trader. Okay, there are different certificates, and in order to obtain that certificate, and I think that kind of certificate can say that yes, you are a professional trader. And in order to obtain that certificate, one must pass an exam, and in that exam, I think you can make so you've got to have 80% of correct answers, or maybe sometimes like 90. But like what am I trying? My point is that even professional traders, they sometimes make mistakes. And I don't know, like, do you really want to be a professional trader? Because yeah, like I'd rather put it I'd rather convert this question into more like, would you want to be a profitable trader? So if you want to be a consistently profitable trader, then yeah, then maybe you don't even need those certificates. So think about it. I don't know. Professional, yes, professional usually implies that you work in this area or like in the area of finance and investments. And if you work in this area of finance, um, so this usually means that you get paid for trading or for managing funds. I don't know. So it's kind of like a what is a professional athlete? Well, it's kind of like what is a professional trader? What is a professional accountant? So usually a person that does like works in an accounting company or as an accountant and gets paid for it, something like this. How to add Heiken-Ashe candle for Quickler? Well, at the moment, yes, you can enable them by so when you are on Quickler and the Quickler is your asset, the selected asset, and then you just need to pick any of our trading strategies, and that's it. But trust me, you don't need these Heiken-Ashe because the smallest one is, well, it's like 15 seconds. I don't know, is it really gonna? Because see, the problem with like fast trading like Quickler. Okay, now we're back to this, and let's go back to Horizon trading strategy. Okay, it's a little complicated, guys. So Bitcoin. All right. Okay, hold on. Some new navigation troubles on the way. Okay, here comes Quickler. Disable, and here we go, enabled. So this strategy has been enabled. Okay, guys, even if you trade Quickler, keep in mind that the minimum time frame of a candlestick is 15 equals to 15 seconds, and the maximum duration of Quickler is 5 seconds. Well, it's the minimum and the maximum. So is there a Q&A later? Yes, you can ask me questions and I will answer them all along. So like it's not really gonna help you with these. I would still analyze Quickler on linear chart. That's something that, yeah, because that's not gonna help. So these yeah, it's just not gonna help. So Japanese candlesticks or Heiken-Ashe or bars, they are not going to be helpful when you trade Quickler because the minimum time frame of a candlestick is 15 seconds. So guys, what I want to tell you today is this wonderful strategy called Horizon, and it consists out of 4 indicators. So we have 4 indicators, and let me find an example of a signal from this strategy, and then on that example I will explain you how this strategy works and how to read signals. Okay, so I think there might be a signal here. Well, basically, in a few words, when you have 2 simple moving averages on in any one in any kind of trading. Yeah, all right. So here is the signal, guys. It's a past signal. It's already gone because the price has changed a little bit. But with this strategy, the signal is the following. When the yellow line, which is the 5 SMA, crosses the 22 SMA. So when this happens, you usually want to open a trade in the downwards direction. And next thing in this strategy, what you want to pay attention to is the position of the MACD indicator. So this area has to be under the 0 line, it has to be under 0. under this midline, and also the predominant color of the high Kanashi candlesticks has to be red. So in this case, we have red, red. Yes, even though we have these few greenish dojis, but the predominant color is red and the predominant direction is downwards. So we have these two crossed and the signal downwards, and we have the MACD area under the midline, under the zero line. Let's check this one. Oh yeah, no signal. NZD, CAD, okay, no signal yet. So let's go back to the beginning of this list, and we're gonna see. Did the UK just ban all cryptocurrencies? I think heard something like this in the news. Someone just told me a few hours ago. So that's probably why Bitcoin price is dropping. All right, guys, let's give it a try. So a trade in the upwards direction on Europe Composite Index. Okay, one thing I kind of don't like is that the MACD is under the zero line, but as you can see, it's kind of moving. Yes, it's moving forward. And once again, 3-minute. My default time for trades or duration of my trades usually equals to 3 minutes. So that's kind of like my default time. I know some of you like faster trades, some of you like slower trades that last 5 minutes, maybe even 10 minutes, even though you analyze the charts on 1 minute time frame. My default time of my default duration, my default expiration is 3 minutes. So. And yeah, there was a recent signal here on the Euro USD. Okay, now it's gone, I think, a little bit. It's kind of a little bit too late. All right, so yeah, let's give it a try. GBP USD. So the pound, which is a correlating asset to the Euro USD, they oftentimes go, hand in hand. They follow each other's movement. I think I don't even know who starts this movement, but then usually the second companion follows. So if they go upwards, so you can see how they, okay, maybe not here exactly, but they more or less resemble each other. Which indicator is he using? So once again, I have two simple moving averages, one with a period of 5 and the second one with a period of 22. Next, I have the high Kanashi candlesticks, and last but not least, I have the MACD indicator, which is the final checkup with this in this strategy. So in this strategy, I need to make sure that the MACD indicator is above the midline and points in the upwards direction. Or if it's under the zero line, it has to, kind of like go towards the positive area above the midline. Wow, look at this. We have another webinar that starts in 45 minutes, which is called Best Strategies for 1 Minute Trade. So for those of you who love fast trading, quick trading, not quicker maybe, but something 20 times, no, how about 12, something. What is something that 12 times longer than quickly trade? Yes, that's a 1 minute trade, and I guess that's the webinar dedicated to this topic. So many trades, many different opinions. Some people love fast trading. Some people, only make one trade per hour or even one trade per day. Yeah, we have multiple signals here. GBP, CHF now pointing upwards. Green high Kanashi, the moving averages have crossed, and the MACD above the midline. Yeah, all the conditions are there, and stay there, stay above. You've got to stay above. 7 seconds to go. And how I just don't like it when it happens like this. Had I opened this trade just 1 second later, like 2 seconds later, it would have closed with a profit. Wow. Well, anyways, that's life. That's trading. So you've got to stay calm. You've got to stay relaxed. Okay, AUD JPY. So we are about to observe the crossing moment. Sir, what is the time period for trade to get profit? Asks Nabi. I would say this is highly individual. So some and okay, the only way to find an answer to this question would be to open 50 trades with, okay, for example, fixed amount of money, fixed amount, and then to measure to see, right, whether you've made money or you've lost money, some money, because for some people, well, I would say there are so many varieties in trading. One can trade with 3-minute trades. One can trade with 5-hour trades. Some people invest for weeks. Some people have their stock PT portfolio and they make money from long-term investments. I would say there is no one kind of guaranteed method. There are multiple methods how you can make money, but there isn't like one single approach, one single time frame. It just doesn't work like this. So everything is slightly individual, and you've got to trade. You've got to analyze the outcome of your trades, the results, and then you just and then it's like rinse and repeat. So you want to make your profits bigger, and you want to cut your losses as soon as you can. So right, guys. So I think I was kind of slow with this trade. Should have opened it a little faster. This one, nothing to complain. It's just like this signal that didn't work. So 8 seconds to go. Here I think it's quite a good signal. In the upwards direction, we can see this uptrend. I know how it's going to close with a profit, with a loss, but the more the better question or would be, do I follow my trading strategy? So is this trade, so when I opened this trade, did I follow the rules of my trading strategy? Did I execute this strategy right or not, or wrong? So before opening a trade, I usually ask myself, I'm not saying like, oh, I hope this trade is going to be a profitable one. I hope I'm not going to lose money. I hope it's going to be another winning trade. Of course, I have this a little bit in my head going on before opening, like trades in, oh, wow, missed such a great trade here. But the more, the more correct question would be, is this particular trade according to my trading strategy? Am I not breaking? Am I breaking any rules of money management or risk management, or am I doing everything correct? So, if the answer is yes, I'm doing everything correct, then yeah, just go ahead and open these trades. So, you're on the right path. All right. Okay, seems that. Okay, so the price has not moved anywhere. All right. Anyways, let's keep trying. So nothing is lost. Gonna try and find a few more assets. Yes, this can happen with any kind of trading strategy, absolutely, at any time of day and night, or morning or evening. That sometimes you open trades and they close with a loss, and sometimes a few trades close with a loss. Okay, I'm gonna try and open my next trade on, so this one, that was a quick one, I just didn't have time to open it, but GBP CHF, let's try. Which strategy am I using? This strategy is called Horizon, and it belongs to the expert strategies group category. Right, let's give it a try. GBP CHF, a trade in the downwards direction, because we have this. So yeah, I would say this is the moment where all 4 conditions are met. We have the 5 SMA crosses the 22 SMA from so in the downwards direction. We have red high Kanashi candlesticks, and we have this moment when the area crossed the zero line from top to bottom. So don't think there are any potential setups with this strategy here on these assets. So let me go ahead and scan. All right, so Bitcoin, I think there might be a very interesting signal here. So yeah, let's see, 2 seconds to go on this candlestick, and yeah, I think, okay, let's watch this asset closely. I think we are about to observe to another upwards push. We just need to wait for the two moving averages to cross, and once this happens, we can open a trade in the upwards direction. Very high flexible market today, says. Okay. Yeah. Well, the market is fine. It's like I think any other day of week, more or less active enough. Yesterday was a huge day for Nasdaq and S&P. All the American indexes closed. They all closed in green area with like fantastic gains. Okay, yeah, I think the moment has come, so we can. Let's wait it drop a little bit, and okay, upwards. So this trade, okay. So GBP CHF, guys, closed with a loss on the last 2 seconds. Well, anyways, reversals day. What can you do about it? Well, anyways, let's keep trading. I think nothing critical has happened so far. As long as you have money in your deposit, nothing critical happens. But sometimes, yes, there might be this. Sometimes you might have 5, 10 winning trades in a row. Sometimes you might have 5, 6 losing trades in a row. It just works like this. It's market, and sometimes, yeah, especially if you trade on with short durations like 3-minute duration, 5-minute duration, especially 1-minute duration. So there, a lot depends on. Well, I wouldn't say it depends on luck, but still there is more kind of like chaotic movements from the market. Okay, let's wait for the Euro AUD to close this candlestick, and I think on the next candlestick we can go ahead and open this trade in the downward direction. Yes, all right. Yeah. How about our Bitcoin price is doing? Our Bitcoin trade and gold. Yeah, let's go. Let's go down. All four conditions are there. All four signals are there. What about MT4? Do you prefer to trade it or not? No, I don't. I don't like MT4. I think it's overly complicated. And when it comes to trading, especially trading forex, you can find all the necessary tools here on Olymp trading platform. So I don't really see any necessity in using MT4. So Olymp Trade Forex is a wonderful place to trade. Is a wonderful platform. Has got all the necessary options, and I would say sometimes it's even more convenient in terms of position management and setting stop losses, trailing stop loss. Everything is there. So yeah, some people still like MT4. I think it's maybe, like on the one hand, it looks kind of professional, right? Without, like this nice design and everything. It just, kind of looks nice in a certain way. Well, but other than that, I don't really know. Yeah, maybe there are some indicators and the built-in market where you can purchase some helpful tools for some people. Some people find those indicators and those advisors, robots, to be quite efficient and helpful. But in my opinion, I don't really see that it's that that's necessary to use anymore. So it's kind of outdated, I think. So, but still, I mean, if the only merit how you can decide how you can find the answer to this question. So once again, whether you should use it or not, it's like, does it help you make more money? I mean, when you trade on MT4, do you make money or do you lose money? So that's kind of like the universal answer to any sort of market related questions. So if this helps you make money, generate profits, then definitely you should go ahead and trade the setups, the assets, the terminals, the platforms where you make money. But if you don't make money on those platforms, then you need to change it. You need to adapt. So it's always like this: trade, get results, analyze the feedback, decide the next course of action, and then that's pretty much how you evolve as a trader, how you become a professional trader. So a professional trader would say that, oh wow, that's a reversal. Oops. So in any company, no financial company is gonna keep a trader employed, if he or she breaks some trading rules and the rules of the company. So because any mistake, okay, you can make mistakes, but like if you make I'll say them I call them smart mistakes. Who is the owner? I wish I was the owner. Okay, who is the owner of Olymp Trade? You can find all the legal information on the front page of Olymp Trade, so there is no need to answer this question here. Okay. Well, guys, seems that wow, price just goes up and down, up and down. Okay, we just opened the US markets have just opened 2 seconds ago. Now this one closes with a profit, and guys, I think I want to stop here. I don't really want to trade anymore. I think I've opened a good number of trades with this strategy, and even though I think more of these trades closed with a loss. So sometimes it just happens. Sometimes you have more winning trades, sometimes you have more losing trades. So I was using okay, should I go ahead? Yeah, I will open a trade. Okay. Now I will not stop here, I think. Okay, let me go ahead and scan all the assets. And so if I manage to find any additional setup, I will definitely open a trade. So this one, HBP Audi, the Audi, and oh wow, so we're going upwards now. It's a downwards move. So guys, anything can happen on the market. Sometimes you just with on the one page with the market, and sometimes you are not on the same page. Okay, what matters is pretty much how much money you have in your account in the end of the month, and you don't want to judge your trading by one trading session. You want to judge your trading results by 1 second, 2 seconds. Okay, some of you might be lucky if you copied my trade on silver, because 1 second difference, and no, I think even that would not have helped. So where did I start? I started here, I think. Yeah, I started here, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 losing trades, and 1, 2, 3, 4. So not a good ratio, I have to admit. That's not a good win ratio. I have 2 more trades closing that will be closing soon, and EMA setup, please. So maybe yeah, that could be a nice approach where you can kind of change SMAs for EMAs. You know, kind of like substitute SMAs for EMAs, and then this way you're gonna see the result, and then you can share this result. Will be very interesting. And yeah, seems that it's not the horizon day on the market, because horizon sometimes I think the highest result was more than 80% winning trades on a webinar. And yeah, so it's just today it didn't show it like the best what it can actually do. So unfortunately, closing the webinar with a loss, and so yeah, so 9 losing trades, 5 winning trades, only 14 trades. When normally I open around 20, but that depends on the strategy. So with this strategy, you only open 1 trade per signal. So 1 signal, 1 trade. You don't really open multiple trades. All right. So thank you very much, guys, for your attention. And next week we are going to have 2 webinars, one on Tuesday, one on Thursday. So it's been a pleasure conducting this webinar for you, and I will see you shortly. Thomas signing out.